Good morning, it's Martin from Eurocar Upgrades. Today we've done the upgrade on a 2018 Volkswagen Golf 7 R-Line. It's a Golf Mark 7.5 that came with the LED lights but not the dynamic lights. So what we've done, we've installed, rewired and recoded the brand new Volkswagen Golf R tinted LED lights. As you can see, the turn signals are dynamic, which is going together with fashion. Client is very happy about it, and yeah, so if you want to upgrade your taillights on any vehicle, but Golf 7, Golf 7.5, we've got the Volkswagen Genuine, so highest quality, 2-year warranty taillights available for your car. Don't go Chinese because they break. Contact Eurocar Upgrades